Bamudusizza mu ddwaliro nga Biwalataka. Muna Kenya amanyikiddwa nga Muthoni olumaliriza world record ye ey'okuyimirira nga haginze omuti okumala essaawa 72 obalamu essaawa 72 amazeewo ennaku 3 nga talya tanywa tapama tafuuka talina kyakola wabula ng'ayimiridde awo okumala ennaku 3 olunaku ne lutandika olusooka ne luziba olwokubiri ne lutandika ne luziba olwokusatu zibadde ziwera ssaawa ndowooza 7 mwana wattu world record ye n'abeera ng'amaze okugibreakinga essanyu libadde lingi nga ly'amaanyi naye bamuddusiriza mu ambulance nga Biwalataka asobole okubeera ng'agenda afune obujjanjabi obw'enjawulo. Embeera bwetu bwebadde mwana muwala ono ahaginze omuti okumala ennaku 3 z'essaawa 72.
Wacha nitoe kwa stand nimshikie.
Iko sawa na
anasema ana hiyo inajakisha sauti hapo. Ongea Turu.
Hi everyone. So I'm blindfolded after hitting for 8 hours.
Haya. Kidogo. Twende Turu. Wamenyamaza.
Hi everyone. My name is Sufena and I just broke my previous world record attempt. I'm past 48 hours and I'm blindfolded to pay tribute to people living with disabilities and their vulnerability to climate injustices. I'm going to do it for some time. For some time.
And then, so what would you tell people? Because people are asking, what did you tell them? What can you tell them now that you're here for 48 hours? How are you feeling?
I feel great.
Okay.
I feel so good that now I'm past that, 48 hours.
Okay.
And actually right now as we speak, I've already broken a record. So even if I wouldn't go for 72 hours, I would be in the Guinness World Records for the second time. Okay. But I choose to extend it.
You'll extend to 72 hours?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Anything else? Unaweza ambia anything kuhusu take care of the mazingira?
Yeah, we should protect trees. And most importantly, let's take care of indigenous trees.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all for now.
Okay guys, that's it. Alikuwa anataka